Wait. What? Whatever you're doing, I can't see.
Behind you.
I can't!
Look, behind you. Okay, look.
It don't matter!
Look.
Oh, what the hell?
Down here. And now look at me now.
Oh, don't do that with the camera. I was going to show this to my mum.
Oh, shit.
I don't swear!
Record it. Delete it.
No, I can't delete it.
Are you going to stick that as you are?
No. I'm going to show it now, but I'm going to keep it as a souvenir. I ain't got no computer. Yeah, but that ain't mine. My dad. Woo! Yeah, I will. We're just right now filming a random part of Actually Locked on my camera. Well, my phone camera anyway.
I still film when you're getting home.
I'm going to still film while I'm getting home.
What?
I am going to do that.
Oh, you white fuck.
That'll be so funny. Alright, let's just change. Let's change it, get third. Kerry, don't go quick down the hill. I might drop this. So just put on your brakes when we start to go downhill.
Look at that was real. Hey, yeah, film it.
What?
That was real.
Power drill? What power drill?
The massive thing.
Oh, get it on video later. Well, it's probably tomorrow. I'm not sure. Now that's till 8:30, so I might still go film it. No. What? See, wrong way.
That's wrong.
I don't care. I want to film. I don't care. I want to film through Sainsbury's. I'll show you the film tomorrow, alright?
Yeah. Let me say goodbye. Bye.
Well, Kerrison just left me on my own to get home. And whoa! Nearly hit. See you tomorrow. Whoa. Nearly hit. Damn, I have to use the main road. Damn, I can't do no running. I need to turn. I'm going to crash. Well, I'm getting every number plate as I go by. Like that Venus one, that Peugeot. But let's get to that there. That's good. Alright, let's show the RAV4. Now it's done. Yes. Yeah. Hope nobody turns it. Really get parts without slipping. And you've got a front brake. Okay, I'm good. And I am hungry. So I need to get this.